خليل
يا سلام.
في كتير عالم they like to label people. I found you the perfect label maker.
ليبل ميكر لقينا يا سلام اليوم. هيدا الفوق. The actual nice retro feel. Nice retro feel. I love this retro feel. خفيف. Press down. Here we have our labels. You press. It starts. Up. طابعة. New. Okay, double click to edit, very simple. Welcome to Arabia Unboxing. And it's actually really fast. Label. And you can use it to label and stick it on a lot of other stuff too. Actually I like it يعني انه عن جد plus it's a nice decorative piece الواحد بيحطه على المكتب.
It's like a 60s design. ليك كيف مستعملين الفونت.
ايه.
طريقة حتى الشيب تبع لك an old دكتيرو من الستينات.
ايه. You can change on the size that the rolls actually take. So a very nice label maker. Thank you Salam. وبنشوفكم بحلقة جديدة من Arabia Unboxing. Please subscribe, stay connected. See you next time. Bye guys.